This is a 1942 HN tractor that we restored in 3 years so far. It took 3 parts tractors to get enough parts to make one tractor. Single front wheel, there was only 968 built. We had the front tire cost more than the rear tires because it was an oddball size. But we put, believe it or not, this was painted with spray cans. We don't have a paint gun.
That's amazing.
55 cans of spray paint to paint this tractor.
You got it on there pretty smooth for spray cans.
Yeah, it took some doing, and there was a couple times we had to clean it all back off and start over because it would run. We have 4 here. We have 16 total.
Are they all John Deere?
All John Deere. We brought tractors Monday with the H and our golf cart. Tuesday we brought the BN and the 530, and this morning we brought the unstyled B and model 72 sweep ray.